Hi, Rosa Mumm here from CreditXpert. We've heard from a lot of you that rescores are taking much longer than normal. So I wanted to provide a quick tip that you may not be familiar with in the CreditXpert What-If Simulator. So in this particular example, we have a borrower who is at 667 and we need to get him above a 680. And what you'll learn by doing a few simulations is that paying off any one of these first few accounts provides the same level of improvement. So it doesn't really matter which one you carry out. So what I'm suggesting here is if you click on the open date, you're going to see the date this account last reported on this bureau. So the last time this account reported to Equifax was 4/10. We can expect it to re-report the same time next month or May 10th. So knowing this, you can take a look at these first accounts. And what you're going to learn is that the Amex, for example, reported on 3/25, that means it's expected to be re-reported on about 4/25. Given that today's the 21st of April, we know it's going to re-report in a few days. We could have the borrower pay this one off and wait for it to report naturally through the monthly reporting cycle instead of requesting a rescore. Now keep in mind, balances to credit cards are typically reported at the time the statement is generated. So the statement is probably generated on or slightly before that date. And it takes maybe 1 or 2 days from the report date for it to actually show up on the bureau. So you can use this last reported date to help you understand when that information is going to report naturally and possibly save you the costs associated with the rescores. And one other thing you may not be familiar with is just this past Monday, all 3 bureaus announced that they are extending free credit reports to all consumers once per week instead of just annually as they have done in the past. So they're going to do this for the next year due to the pandemic. So what that means is you could have your borrower pay down the Amex and have them look on annualcreditreport.com for Equifax and have them check when you think it's expected to be updated. Once they see the zero balance on annualcreditreport.com for Equifax, you could then go ahead and repull credit. That way you're not going to incur the cost of a credit repull if the information hasn't reported yet to that bureau. So I hope you find these tips useful. Stay safe.